Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I will teaching you how to use push to talk on Discord while playing. First of all, you need to open your Discord app and make sure there's updated. After you open your app, you enter in a server, okay, any server you want. I use that server here just for example. And here you need to join in a voice channel, okay? I will join in that voice channel here. And now you click in the top and right side of your screen, okay, in the three buttons. And here you click in voice settings. After that, you see the first option, input mode. You click here. And after that, you switch to push to talk, okay, the second option, just click here. And that's it. I hope I can help you with this video. If you like, don't forget subscribing our channel and hit the like button. See ya.